Is matter around us pure? We are going to study chapter number 2 of NCERT Science book class 9th. In the previous chapter, we studied matter is anything which occupies space and have mass. Matter is anything which occupies space and have mass. And we classified matter as solid, liquid, and gas on the basis of their physical properties. In this chapter, we are going to classify matter on the basis of their chemical properties as pure substances and the impure substances, which will be called as mixture. Pure substances are further classified into element and compound, and elements will be classified into metal, non-metal, and metalloids. Similarly, mixture will be classified into homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. We are going to study all these terms one by one in this chapter. Pure substances. Pure substances are those substances which contains only one type of particles, only one type of constituents are present in pure substances. As you can see in the figure your screen that these these substances contain only one types of particles which are green in color. So it can be said that this matter contains only one type of particles. Thus, it is pure substance. Similarly, this substance also contains only one type of particles. So it is also categorized as pure substances. Pure substances are further classified into elements and compounds, which we will study in detailed in the further topics, further video. Pure substances cannot be broken down into the simplest form either by physical method or chemical method. For example, if we have sugar, sugar contains sometimes it contains mud particles, sand particles. So in that case, we can say the sugar is impure or sugar is in the form of mixture. If the sugar does not contain any sand particles, mud particles in it, then the sugar can be called as pure. So the pure sugar is an example of pure substance. Similarly, the table salt is also included under the pure substance if it does not contain any types of impurities in it. Mixtures. Mixtures are formed by mixture two or more pure substance. That means mixtures will have two or more than two types of particles in them. As you can see on the screen, these these substances have two types of particles, one purple color and other of green color. So it is an example of mixtures. Similarly, this substance also contains two types of particle, purple color and green color. So it is also an example of mixtures, that is impure substance. The mixtures can be separated by physical method and chemical method. For example, if sugar contains the sand particles, so we can easily separate sugar from the sand particles either by picking or by dissolving the sugar in the water. So they can be easily separated. And the components of the mixtures does not loses their identity. Their identity remains the same if they are present in the mixtures. For example, sugar and rice, if both are mixed together, so sugar will remain in the same form and it will not lose its identity. And similarly, rice will also remain in the same form in the mixture, but it will not lose its identity. Examples of mixtures Can be soft drink because soft drink contains water, sugar, flavor, carbon dioxide in it. So it contains all these composition. So it is a mixture. Soil. Soil is the composition of soil contains mud particles, stone, pebbles, sand particles. All these are the composition of soil. So soil is an example of mixtures. Mixtures are classified into two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. As we can see in the diagram on your screen, the heterogeneous mixtures contain two types of particles, the purple, green. But the green particles are present on one side and the purple particles are present on the other side. That means these both particles are not mixed properly. If they are not mixed properly, evenly, uniformly, then they are called as heterogeneous mixtures. And if the particles are mixed evenly, equally, so we can say that the mixtures are of homogeneous types. In homogeneous, the particles are mixed in a uniform manner, in a even manner. And in heterogeneous mixtures, the particles are distributed in a non-uniform manner.